Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable Apple Intelligence and ChatGPT on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook with an M1, M2, M3, or M4 chip, this guide will work. Let's get started. To enable Apple Intelligence, start by opening System Settings. There are two ways to do this. Click on the System Settings icon in your dock, or click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you've opened System Settings, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with several options. Scroll down and select Apple Intelligence and Siri. On the right-hand side, you'll see the settings related to Siri and Apple Intelligence. Toggle the button next to Apple Intelligence to turn it on. You may need to wait a moment for Apple to download the necessary support and models. Once that's finished, scroll down slightly and you'll find the ChatGPT extension section. Click on it. Next to Use ChatGPT, click Setup, and then click Next. Finally, click Enable ChatGPT, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Apple Intelligence and ChatGPT on your Mac. If you don't see Apple Intelligence in your system settings, I recommend updating your Mac to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.